In this video, we'll guide you through 15 warning signs and security tests to determine if your Android phone has been compromised by malware. AI is making malware more sophisticated, but we're here to help you stay safer. Welcome to Flirting with Technology. If you find this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Keep an eye out for these 6 common warning signs: unexpected pop-up ads, sudden battery drain, device overheating, unusually high data usage, settings changing on their own, and strange notifications. Start by activating your built-in security shields. Make sure to run a Google Play Protect scan and check for any pending Android security or Google Play system updates. Next, audit your core app permissions. Ask yourself if an app truly needs access to features like your camera, microphone, or location. If not, switch those permissions to Don't Allow or Allow Only while using. Consider the logic behind your app permissions. For example, a map app requesting location is normal, but a calculator doing so is a red flag. Similarly, a video call app needing your camera is expected, while a flashlight app asking for your microphone is dangerous. Keep your device's virtual vault door closed. Check your Install Unknown App settings under Special App Access and disable this permission for browsers like Chrome and file managers to prevent accidental malware downloads. Protect your device master keys. Regularly check your accessibility services and device admin apps and remove any unknown or suspicious applications immediately. Catch hidden resource thieves by monitoring your usage. An unknown app consuming excessive battery or a rare app utilizing high amounts of data are both clear signs of potential danger. Secure your cloud perimeter by checking your Google account security settings. Review all signed-in devices and remove any third-party app connections you no longer use. Never trust fake warning pop-ups. Remember, websites cannot scan your phone for viruses. Avoid downloading suspicious, antivirus software and stick to the official built-in Android tools. Use this 4-question audit flow. Do you know the app? Did you install it? Do you still use it? And does it actually need its requested permissions? If the answer is no, uninstall or revoke access. Follow this ultimate 5-point security shield for a quick check. Run a Play Protect scan, address privacy alerts, review sensitive permissions, disable install unknown apps, and secure your account devices. While no single check guarantees 100% security, taking these steps will significantly reduce your risk by closing potential entry doors for hackers. Stay safe and stay smart. Thanks for watching and supporting Flirting with Technology.